Today is the Eagle Cap factory tour.
Hello, Jim.
Yes, hi Jim, it's Christian and Tracy.
Hi.
How are you doing today? Is this still a good time for a factory tour?
Sure.
We're here at Adventure Manufacturing with Jim, and Jim's going to take us through the factory. Come along, let's go have some fun.
Okay, hold the door.
We started 50 years ago from Abbotsford, BC, building our RVs. In 2008, they moved the factory down to Yakima here, and that was a good move. There was a good brain trust of people that knew how to build RVs. It's off, all computerized, optimized, all that good stuff. All the prints come down so the operator knows exactly what he's putting there on the computer screen.
Yeah, let's check it out. Let's watch one go through.
Well, you can see the blade come up from the bottom sometimes. It'll push it in now.
Oh, that's already laminated, the panel, okay? That
Well,
like
that's
an interior
several
wall?
pieces. That's several pieces. That's glue on.
Yeah.
Our tiger saw, which cuts all our framing, our black pipe, our alpha wood insert. Yeah. So what happens is that'll push that in, cut it off, push it in, cut it off. It also prints out the label. And
Oh, I see.
so you just tap it to get it all even.
Get it all even, yeah.
So push it again. That'll take you on to the other picture. That's the end pieces. There's your label.
Wrapping machine?
Oh,
okay.
Never saw it.
Oh, that's where the wood is. That's where they put the wood in. And that's where the foam gets put in. See, they're all numbered.
That's how we cut our foam. He's going to set his backstop to where he wants it. With the mesh that he needs. Yeah, they send it off to have it done.
Oh, cool.
This machine, then it comes down into a box usually, all melted.
Oh,
Yeah,
melted
looks like
stuff?
that right there.
Yep.
So we get several bags in a small box.
Great.
Wood insert,
Yeah.
all those welds, full length, it's just not tacked. Wood insert, 2x4. Our glue machine is over here. Our build table was here, flip roller, and then it went off and over there, and then got rotted out.
This one they do laminate.
Yep. So you can control the atmosphere, keep it nice and clean in here. Our glue applicator right here.
Okay.
Heats it and heats it up in the drum here, pump through these hoses. Comes out these 4 nozzles across the top and across the bottom.
Oh,
So
wow.
between those 2 rollers back there will be a big bead of glue, And between these two right here, there'll be a big bead of glue.
Oh, cool.
We turn our black light on, so when this comes out, this adhesive shows up real bright white purple, so we can see we have 100% coverage. They build the part over here, put it through the pinch roller, got a finished part.
Oh, okay. And then it's finished over here.
Ready to go to lamination. So the first step is to pre-cut all their fiberglass.
Oh,
They'll have
yeah.
a bunch of it cut off that shear over there. That green thing's a shear.
Okay.
So they'll cut all their fiberglass, then they'll start gluing the luan to the fiberglass. Then they'll lay that framing, typical to that over there, on top of this, and then the finish panel gets glued on there.
Wow.
And it's one piece in the end.
One whole piece,
Yep.
yeah.
Then it goes over to routing, and they route out all the excess and the
Right.
windows and openings and things like that.
Right on.
We build our own cabinetry. This is our jig table here for our cabinets. It's all glued, screwed, and stapled together. Another little lamination process right here where we put adhesive on that framing there. And he's going to put a piece of paneling up there, a finish panel up there. And then run it through that pinch roller over there.
Routing and staining.
There's my kitchen, Papa.
Every cabinet starts on this box right here. When it gets to a certain point, it gets put on a cart.
Oh, oh, they're all the. Oh, yeah, yeah.
She's going to put a floor up there right now. And then start building up from there.
Wow.
There's the floor.
Yep. 765. Still can't believe you put an island in this middle of the back of the truck. Crazy.
This is something that we special order for our campers. It's aluminum extrusion that has this ledge. Our walls actually sit here. Other manufacturers just screw it to the floor. We screw it to the floor and it sits on this ledge right there.
Nice.
Great. A lot more stable. Oh my gosh. So cool. See the bones, honey.
We all got the screws. They're stapled together. So by the time this is all assembled, it's ready to go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Bring them down and the guys want to install them. Got grommets everywhere.
The wire room is up there.
So this is where that wall is, right?
Right.
I don't know if it's the same for this one, but
Oh, right. We have the, yeah. Solid 1200. That was ours.
That was it, huh?
That was it.
I told you.
That was done.
so what? Sorry, which part sold you?
We saw all the other ones, except then when we saw the 1200, I forgot all the other ones.
Well, I like the 1165 until we saw the 1200.
That
And for
was
me,
it.
was the access to the bed on both sides.
Yes, that
and
was
not
it.
having to crawl over each other.
Yeah.
And the king size bed, of
Yeah.
course.
Well, of course.
You saw our two little ones.
Dogs, yeah.
Spanish music and rock. I love it.
It all blend
I
done
love
right
it.
here,
I
yeah.
love it.
So, we build our slide outs here. The crane picks them up. This crane will service both sides of the camper. That's actually an 8.9 RBS right there.
Okay.
The first 1165.
This one looks like it's almost done.
Look at that slide.
Look at
We
that.
have the chairs.
Yeah, we have the
theater
chair.
chairs.
Yeah, we have the chairs.
They can pick it up and take it over to the camper and install it in the camper. So
Okay.
we're getting ready for 1165 right now.
Right here. Oh, okay.
Install the roof. Picks the roof up, puts it on top of the camper. Goes on down to scaffolding 2 where they'll put the vents on, air AC on, the roof membrane.
prepping the water tank, the tanks.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, cool. So now we transition. We're just switching over the production line from the adventure units to the 1165s.
These are our cabinet doors and our drawer fronts. So those are installed over there. We built our drawers, but we installed the drawer fronts and the poles and all that stuff over there. And then they bring them over here, get them ready.
Oh, okay.
All this. All the hardware's on the way to install.
Where does the window in the door get installed?
The window in where?
The window in the door.
Okay, that door is ordered with the window in.
Oh, it's ordered with the window in.
Yeah, you buy that with the window in it.
So we've noticed you've gone back to the clear window.
Well, and we've got a built-in shade.
Yeah.
Sure.
So if you wanted to change
we
that,
have to talk to you.
we have to order a whole door.
Okay, well, that might be happening.
This is TPO. Very strong, doesn't expand and contract like old rubber roofs used to. And this has a 12-year maintenance-free warranty. You don't have to get up there and treat it like you used to have to treat a rubber roof.
Oh,
You just treat a rubber roof twice a year, your warranty was void.
Yeah?
Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh, that's the roof.
This was developed for the military to withstand extreme heat and extreme cold. And we order ours with the felt on the back. Not everybody does that.
Yeah.
That adds to
Yeah.
insulation and it grabs the glue better.
Okay.
Yeah. In here, grabs that cart and pulls it down.
Well, we just finished. They switched
Those are
production.
adventures.
They switched production.
Okay.
So we're right where they switched. So now in the finishing department is the tail end of the adventures.
Oh, with the adventures, but
So they did a production
Yeah, 1165 is right behind us.
in the production
oh,
line.
I see. That's how it works.
So they're finishing off this run and starting
And then they do
11.
the- oh, okay.
And then 1200 grabs the 1165s.
I noticed that these are really popular in the rental market.
Yes, yes.
Because I guess what, like 3/4 tons, probably hollow.
A lot of them, yes.
Yeah.
Going all the way out to where you see the purple on there.
Awesome.
This is where they weigh them, honey.
Yep, we weigh every camper.
So
Our new scale, it's about 2 years old. You could actually stand on this corner or anywhere and it's still give you the right way.
okay, let's see how much Papa is.
Oh, you gotta go on a diet, Papa.
Holy moly!
Under me.
I got 30 pounds to lose. No,
The woman is not standing on there.
No. I don't think our scale is accurate.
Yeah, well, exactly. That's why I'm not standing on there.
On the new 1200 2020,
Uh-huh.
they look nice. Like the new color scheme and all that.
You like the gray and the black?
Yeah, I mean it's different. I like the decals are a little bit more subtle.
Yes. We cleaned them up quite a bit, streamlined them some.
Oh,
We want one.
I want one of those.
Yeah, you'd probably have to order it through your dealer.
Just pull off the
Too
band-aid
crazy, right?
already. Like, this is...
See, I don't know, you might be able to just replace that.
That's what I'm
That
hoping.
yeah, that's but it is. It could be a little different,
Is
but
it
that
standard?
We'd have to
Like
check into
standard
that.
size? Yeah.
and it's tinted too.
I really,
So you can't
really
see it.
want one of those.
That is nice, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah.
I hate not being able to see before I open the door.
If it's just
yeah.
the window, I could
Oh,
probably
yeah.
do it myself.
Yeah, yeah.
All the way to that fence where that dump truck's going.
Yeah.
These are employees' cars, and then the lumber company over there has that section over there.
So they don't feed into you, do they?
No,
No.
they don't.
Oh,
No.
So everything's in-house?
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, most of the components are in-house. I know that probably
Bumpers
like the
and things like that,
yeah,
jacks and stuff like
yeah.
that. We order, yeah. But
Fridges, like components like
Uh-huh.
that. But the actual structure is all in-house.
built in-house.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's cool. My goodness, look at all of them.
Yeah, I guess things like wire harnesses, that probably is a takeoff from the auto industry, I guess, eh?
Kind of, yeah.
In terms of having everything pre-harnessed.
Right, and we make those ourselves.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I didn't know
They cut that upstairs mezzanine.
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Is where they make those and send them down. The guys install them.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Have these taken off more lately than
Like in the last few
fifth
years?
wheels and
Camper
right?
and
Yeah,
the
right.
Truck campers have steadily increased over the last few years.
Yeah.
When the first RV dealer we went to go see,
Oh, man.
I guess we went to go see in Leduc.
In the Duke.
And
yeah.
they had 2 truck campers there, smaller ones, and that's it. And it says, hey, where are all your truck campers? So we don't bring them in anymore. We can't even sell them. We've had these for a year.
Yeah.
And that was our first impression of a truck camper.
Yeah.
And so we went fifth wheels. We weren't looking at travel trailers, but we kept coming back to the campers.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
versatile.
And
It
it was, do we want somewhere to live and travel a little? Or do we want somewhere to travel and live a
Live a
little?
little. There you go.
So we decided to
That's
travel.
That was
yeah.
it.
That's
That
a
was
good
it.
saying.
We wanted to be adventurous.
Yeah.
We wanted to go down
Use
any
that.
road.
Yeah.
We wanted to go down any road
Exactly.
and turn around.
Yeah. With a trailer or fifth wheel, sometimes that's difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like some of the roads I kept saying to Christian, I was like, now if we would have had the fifth wheel, we could not turn around right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And go to the grocery store and all that good
forget it.
stuff.
Yeah,
Exactly.
exactly.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
So this is what we're doing.
Awesome.
So this is quite the sight, guys. And a 40% expansion here going on right now.
That is going to be so good. So much more space.
We do have pickups.
Yeah.
2 of our pickups right there that pull a trailer. So those typically
okay.
will do a 3-load, 2 on the trailer and 1 on the truck. And then the Freightliners can do a 4-load depending on the size of the camper. 2 on the trailer and 2 on the bed of the truck.
Now you probably can get away with that because the campers aren't loaded.
Right.
I mean, they're dry weight.
Well, there's weight restrictions. You know, we got
Yeah.
all the trailers and the trucks are rated for a certain amount of weight. But yeah.
But I
Right.
think your trucks, you get them re-rated. Like mine's rated at 14,000. I cannot change that,
Right.
even though I beefed up the suspension.
Right.
Right. We went and had ours licensed for more weight.
License.
It was all that, just
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
But have you customized it all? Have you beefed
stable
up?
loads.
Yeah.
Basically about it, and
Yep.
make sure the tires are in good shape.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah.
Yep. For sure.
For us, it was fine
Mm-hmm.
with the stable loads. Then we started loading, and then it was still fine. And we were just traveling with a little bit of water. It's when we started traveling with more water. Then,
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
then it got a little soft in the back
Yeah.
end.
Well, I think you did the right thing by adding leaves.
Just
Oh,
adding
absolutely.
leaves, and it's been wonderful.
Oh, it has. Yeah. Absolutely.
It's a lot more stable and way more comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Now, we don't really go above 60 miles an hour.
Mhm.
So we hope you enjoyed the tour.
And we'll catch you on the next one.
Yes, we will.
Okay, here's it's called Indian tacos and fried bread. Right over here. We're on our way out of town, but we had to stop. Delicious.